nest, household. Although it has different names, it is a huge world in which our lives fit. As life changes, our expectations from a home change as well. We are no longer looking for classic houses that shape us, but for houses that are shaped by our imagination and our wishes in every detail. Our home is wherever we want it to be. Nature is calling us. Mramor was born in 1965 in Sakarya. The company, which is taking firm steps towards becoming a world giant, produces living spaces shaped for the future with its advanced technology and more than 100 expert staff in its facility with a total area of 18,000 square meters, 5,000 square meters of which is closed and 13,000 square meters of which is open. Years of experience and professionalism in metal and woodworking have enabled Mramor to produce first-class portable homes for over a decade. Offering customized solutions, Mramor is able to respond to the wishes of its customers with on-site exploration and produces houses that add happiness to life. Following quality control, these mobile homes are supported from transportation to installation and continue to meet all customer needs. Mramor, the pioneer of constructive ideas, is the leader of its sector with exports to more than 25 countries. Setting out with the motto of Happy Family, Mramor blends change with luxury and nature for the satisfaction of its customers. Awareness of sectoral responsibility, power and synergy arising from unity, intelligence that makes giant projects feasible, and craftsmanship combined with superior technology. The mastery that makes big things look easy is in the Mramor. Mramor, the constructive power of the industry.